Greetings, Wefunder community. Thank you for taking a couple of moments to learn about Workshop.life. My name is Stephen Caldwell. We are attempting to solve a challenge that so many parents and communities are dealing with these days, and that is excessive screen time among our young people. Unfortunately, so many of the after-school programs that we used to have a generation ago are no longer available to our high schoolers and middle schoolers. Programs like woodworking and mechanic shop and auto shop are just no longer available. And so our goal is to bring a modern approach to these tactile, immersive learning experiences that we had in those previous days with technologies like 3D printing and advanced robotics and clean energy construction and building. And so our hope is that with these programs, we can not only help our young people develop the hard skills that they'll undoubtedly need in the future, but also the critically important soft skills and the emotional intelligence to work in small self-organizing teams in an agile-based approach, very similar to the way that modern-day companies operate today. Companies like Apple and Amazon and Spotify and so many others. These are going to be critically important skills that our young people will need to solve some of our most pressing global challenges in the future. And so Workshop.life is a place where kids can immerse themselves in creative problem-solving projects that provide them with not only the tools, the mentoring, and the guidance, but also foster the important character traits like accountability to their team members, responsibility and leadership and project management skills, and all of those critically important attributes for completing successful projects. So we are really excited for the Wefunder community to see if the marketplace will embrace our vision. We have a lot of work to do. We know that, and we're really hoping that you and anyone out there that you feel resonates with our message would be interested in supporting us. So thank you very much for this opportunity, and we'll be back soon with more updates.